Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In today's video, I'll demonstrate how to set up a proxy on Opera GX on various platforms including Windows, Android, and iOS. Let's start with setting up a proxy on Windows. Launch your Opera GX browser. Click on the menu in the upper left corner and select Settings. Scroll down to the System section and choose Open your computer's proxy settings. This will redirect you to the operating system's proxy settings. Activate the User Proxy Server option, enter the IP and port of your proxy, and click Save. Close the proxy settings window and return to the browser. If you have a personal proxy, a window will prompt you to enter your username and password. Provide the necessary details to start using the browser with the proxy. Next, let's proceed to setting up a proxy on Opera GX for Android smartphones. Since there is no direct option in the application, we'll configure the proxy in the operating system. Open the settings on your Android device. Go to Connections and ensure that Wi-Fi is enabled and connected to your network. Access the Wi-Fi settings, tap on your connected network, and click on the gear icon. Navigate to the Advanced section and select Manual in the proxy settings. Enter the proxy IP and port in their respective fields. For a free proxy, you can save the changes here. If you have a personal proxy, provide the username and password in the designated fields. Once all the necessary details are entered, click Save to apply the proxy settings. Now let's proceed to setting up a proxy on Opera GX for iOS devices. Connect your iOS device to Wi-Fi and access the settings. Go to the Wi-Fi menu and tap the eye icon next to your connected network. At the bottom of the network information window, find the Proxy section and select Proxy Settings. You can now choose between turning off the proxy or configuring it manually or automatically. Select Manual. Enter the proxy IP and port in the provided fields. For a personal proxy, activate authentication and enter the username and password in the additional fields. Confirm your settings and close all windows to complete the setup. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, ProxySale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.